In this short video tutorial, we will be learning how we can create new partitions in Windows 11 by just following a very easy step-by-step guide. So first thing we need to do is to go to the Windows search and type run, and then you will get under best match run option. So please make a click on that, and then you will be getting this kind of window. And then the next thing we need to do is to type disk mgmt.msc. Once done typing, just please click on enter or OK, and this opens the disk management window. So the next thing is to view existing drives. So to do that, we need to open our file explorer, and there we need to go to this PC option here at the left navigation pane, and you will be able to see here the devices and drives that you have. As you can see, I have here 10 gigabytes or almost 10 gigabytes of free space in my D drive, and I have here 303 free space in my C drive or main drive. So we need to observe existing partitions. And the next thing we need to do is to shrink existing drive to create space. So in the disk management window, let me just expand this one. We need to right click on the C drive, and then we need to make a click on this shrink volume option. Now we need to decide first how much space that you want to shrink. So if you want to shrink 5 gigabytes of space, we need to multiply 5 by 1024 MB. So if you want 5 gigabytes, then again we need to multiply it by 1024, which is the value of 1 gigabytes in MB. So we will be getting or typing later on 500 or 5120 MB. So as you can see here, we need to enter the amount of the space to shrink in MB. So we need to make sure that we will be entering a uh, correct amount. So we need to open first calculator. And as I have said, if you want 5 gigabytes of space, we need to multiply it with 1024. Now we need to click on equals. And as you can see here, we have 5120. So we need to copy it, close this window, and paste it in here. Or you can just also type it 5120. After typing this one, just please click on shrink and just wait for this loading session to be done. So after this loading session, a new unallocated space will be appearing in this section. So let's just wait for that. And we have now the 5 gigabytes unallocated space. So here we need to create new partition from an unallocated space, and to do that we need to right click on this one, click on this new simple volume, and then click on next option, click on next again, and here we need to assign the following drive a letter. So if you want to choose for a letter, just click this drop down button, and then here all you need to do is just to look for the letter that you want, and then click on next and proceed with choosing the NTFS file system. Now once done, please click on next, and here click on finish, and as you can see, it will appear in here that we have created a new volume A. And if you check your file explorer, you will be also seeing there a new volume A. This is a 5 gigabytes or almost 5 gigabytes free of space that we have just created. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can easily create a new partition on your Windows 11 devices. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye!